The following affirmations are designed for women recovering from emotional and physical trauma. I will focus on healing, self-love, inner care, safety, resilience, and empowerment. Let's go ahead and begin. I give myself permission to heal at my own pace. My past does not define me. I'm free to create a new future. I am worthy of love, care, and kindness. Every breath I take fills me with healing energy. I allow myself to feel and release my emotions without judgment. I am safe in my body and I trust my healing process. I let go of pain and make space for peace. I forgive myself for what I did not know before. I am more than my past experiences. I am whole. I release fear and welcome love into my heart. It is okay to rest and take time for myself. I honor my journey and trust that healing is possible. I deserve to feel safe, supported, and nurtured. My body and mind are healing with each passing day. I choose to focus on strength rather than my wounds. I am learning to love and accept myself unconditionally. I release shame and embrace self-compassion. My pain is real, but so is my ability to overcome it. I am not broken. I am healing and growing. I trust that I am exactly where I need to be in my healing journey. I am patient with myself as I rebuild my inner peace. I am not alone. Support is always available to me. I allow myself to feel joy without guilt or fear. Every step I take brings me closer to a life of freedom and happiness. I am proud of how far I have come. I'm worthy of love, respect, and kindness. My self-worth is not defined by my past experiences. I deserve to be treated with care and compassion. My heart is open to receiving love in all forms. I am beautiful, valuable, and a worthy person. I speak to myself with kindness and understanding. I am allowed to put myself first without guilt. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. My needs and feelings matter. I give myself permission to set healthy boundaries. I let go of self-doubt and embrace self-confidence. I am enough just as I am. I am strong, capable, and resilient. I release the need for validation from others. I validate myself. I love myself through every stage of healing. I choose to treat myself with the same kindness I offer to others. I am proud of my courage and determination. I deserve happiness, love, and peace. My self-worth is unshakable. I celebrate the person I am becoming. I honor my needs without apology. I radiate confidence, strength, and self-respect. I trust myself to make the best decisions for my well-being. I give myself permission to receive love and care from others. I am a survivor and I honor my journey. I am safe in this moment. I trust my body to guide me towards safety and peace. I release fear and welcome security into my life. I have the right to say no to anything that does not serve me. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. My voice is powerful and I deserve to be heard. I have the strength to remove toxic people from my life. I trust my intuition to protect and guide me. I am allowed to create a life that feels safe and supportive. I let go of fear and embrace change. My boundaries are sacred and I enforce them with confidence. I am stronger than the pain I have endured. My past does not have power over my present or future. I release any guilt or shame that does not belong to me. I reclaim my personal power with every decision I make. I have the courage to walk away from anything that harms me. I am worthy of relationships that uplift and respect me. I allow myself to feel safe in my own body. I choose environments that nourish my well-being. I trust the people who truly love me and support me. I am not defined by what happened to me. I define myself. I stand tall in my power and strength. I am free from the chains of my past. My body is my own and I honor its wisdom. I take back my power with love and confidence. I have survived difficult days and I will continue to thrive. I am capable of handling anything that life brings my way. My past has helped shape me, but it does not limit me. I am stronger than I ever imagined. I choose to see my strength rather than my scars. I trust myself to rebuild my life in a way that feels good to me. My future is filled with endless possibilities. I am worthy of a life filled with joy and purpose. Every day I grow stronger in mind, body, and spirit. I trust the process of life and allow it to unfold with grace. I am becoming the best version of myself. I honor my journey and celebrate my success. I have overcome so much and I am still rising. I replace fear with faith in myself. I let go of what no longer serves me and make room for new blessings. I choose peace over worry and hope over fear. My future is bright and I walk toward it with confidence. I have the strength to create the life I desire. I surround myself with love, light, and positivity. I am not my past. I am my present and future. My courage is greater than my fear. I release old wounds and welcome healing energy. I am a warrior of love, strength, and resilience. I deserve happiness and I claim it now. And lastly, I am free, I am loved, and I am whole. These affirmations are gentle yet empowering, helping women shift from pain to healing, from fear to safety, and from trauma to self-love, power, and renewal. I love you, and I wish you well on your healing journey. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.